Introduction to the class of amplifiers. Class A amplifier. A Class A amplifier reproduces the input signal perfectly at the output. In this amplifier, the transistor is fully biased in the active region and therefore does not operate in the cutoff or saturation regions. As a result, the AC input signal will be exactly between the upper and lower bounds of the amplifier signal. In this configuration, the same transistors are used for both halves of the output waveform, and depending on how it is biased, the output current of the transistor is maintained even in the absence of an input signal. In other words, the output transistors never turn off. This is why Class A operation is very inefficient and the power converted from DC source to AC signal is very low. Usually, the output transistor of a Class A amplifier gets very hot even when there is no input signal, so a heatsink must be used. When the output current is not established, the direct current of the transistor, IC, will be equal to the load current. A Class A amplifier converts most of the DC power to heat, so it is very inefficient.